What's up, everybody? It's Dave with Sell House Columbus, and we're here at the closing table with another seller just purchasing another property for cash. I'm here with Tom. Tom, what was your experience like working with myself and our team at Sell House Columbus?
I had a great experience. Everything real smooth, and this is really the thing that worked for me, so glad I did it.
We made it easy. This particular property was rented out, and we were able to buy the property with tenants in place, right?
Yes.
And we didn't disrupt the tenant or have any friction or anything like that, right?
Nope.
Yep. And what would you say to somebody else who wants to sell their house fast, easy, conveniently, and for a fair price?
Absolutely the easiest way to do it. I mean, especially with having a tenant and having someone take care of all that was the best thing.
Cool. So if you got a house that you'd like to sell, give us a call at 614-300-5151 or visit us online at sellhousecolumbus.com. That's how you found us, was online, right?
Yes.
We look forward to working with you, and we'll see you on the next video.